Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. Before we start, sorry, I was out for over a month due to health problems. Now I'm back and we are ready to proceed where we stopped. For today's project, we're gonna use this white Paracord 550 and this kind of a blue Paracord, also 550. Paracord Buckles, JIG, and of course, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video, so check it out. So first, we're gonna create our bracelet core. So take the one end of your blue paracord, pull it from the top into the buckle, and then simply, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So take the one end, pull it from the top into the buckle, then simply take it and cross it on top of the same strand around and from the side through the loop. As simple as that. Now before we tie this, I'm gonna pull the white cord through the same loop and we're gonna lock it like that. Now we're gonna pass to the bottom side and we're gonna insert our strand again from the top into the buckle, pull it all the way. We have lots of cords to work with, so make sure to untangle all the cords as you proceed. So from the top into the buckle, now pinch it from the back and then wrap it around this strand as well. Now from here we're gonna take the end, pull it from the back through the buckle, and now from the top through the loop. Now to the opposite side. So take it and pull it from the top into the buckle. And now from the back through the gap between those two strands. From here we're gonna pull it from the back through the buckle once more. As you can see, our white is still on top of this blue. Then from the top through the loop. Now we're gonna repeat this process here. So from the top into the buckle, then to the left side, make it on top of the strand, and then pass it from the back through the buckle as well. And here for the last step of our bracelet core, we're gonna pinch it, then take the end, pull it from the top into the gap between those two strands, around them and through. So here we are, we have the two working ends, the white one and the blue one. On the end we're gonna cut off this excess of cord and melt them down. Now we're gonna start. So we're gonna start with the blue from the right side. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna pass it under this first cord strand on the left side. So from the top into the gap and under the first cord strand. Then we're gonna take it again, the same cord, and pass it from the top into the middle between the center two strands of our cord. And from here we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between the first and second cord strand from the left side. Now from here we're gonna take this white strand and we're gonna cross it to the right, and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the right side. Then we're gonna return it from the top through the gap in the middle between the center cords. And now from the back through the gap between the first and the second cord strand. From here we're gonna take our blue strand and we're gonna pass it as well as we did with the white one. So from the top into the middle between first and the second cord strand from the right side. Then we're gonna return it from the top into the middle between the center two strands, and in the same time we're gonna pass it from the back through the gap between first and the second cord strand from the right side. Now from here take the white strand and pass it from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the left side. Now from the top into the middle between two center strands, and then under the second strand and from the back through the gap between first and the second cord strand on the left side. We're gonna repeat with the blue one, so from the top into the middle between first and second cord strand on the left side. Then we're gonna turn it from the top into the gap between second and the third cord strand, or the center strands, and from there we're gonna return it from the back through the middle between first and the second cord strand.